one we put out 2 seconds ago. Wow. Good call, Captain. I love it. We just put that lure out. You holding on to that? I got it. There he is. Oh, yeah, you jump back there? Yep. There he is. You jump back there? Yep. Jump. You're on? Yep, you're good. You got to reel fast as you come towards the boat. Okay. John? Am I okay here? John? Yeah, you're good. Okay. Very good. Shouldn't I be, Rich? You can be up here if you want. Want to be out of the way.
That'll be fine. We didn't have that lure out 5 minutes.
I know, it was classic. You got rid of that gold jinx lure.
Yeah, I hate that lure.
Your favorite lure until last day. Yeah, it's coming in nice.
Doing great. You're doing great.
I'm getting tired. You can make it back, but you're doing so well.
Mike, you gonna do the glove leader thing?
Yeah. Want me to get a gap out?
I'll get it.
Okay. Spearfish.
Spearfish?
Yeah.
That's a heck of a spearfish. Hey Mike, we got a leader. We got a leader.
Want to get a picture in the water, somebody?
That's a big spearfish. That is a big spearfish. Oh, I did it bad. Screwing it up again. Beautiful. Okay. Yeah, go ahead and get that box. That is a big spearfish, guys. Okay, Mike, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift it up and I'm going to hand you the end of the gaff, okay? Here we go. Ready? All right. That's a heck of a fish, man. Good job.